Three amigos here at the Batu Caves.
The monkeys are hissing, like showing their teeth and everything. The monkey right here. Oh! Literally bird poop everywhere on the ground. No? From India. Oh, nice. Where in India? A long way to go. Okay, so we've made it to the Batu Caves. It's very exciting. We're very excited to come here and see it. Yeah, for sure. So we're going to go up this way, and I'll talk to you inside when it's a little quieter.
Yeah, very nice.
It's a little loud here.
Get a bit closer. Three amigos here at the Batu Caves.
Look at it, it's so pretty.
It is very pretty. It really reminds me of Balat.
Yes, yeah.
The colourful steps in Turkey, yeah.
In
Istanbul, yeah.
Oh, the monkey's there. Oh, a monkey right here. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, yeah, no. They could have chosen a better spot for the light post.
I was just thinking.
Okay, so we are here in the main courtyard. You can see all the birds behind us. It's very colorful and very beautiful.
Yeah.
But it's also quite dirty with lots of birds and pigeons and monkeys. And actually we were watching a YouTube video where someone interviewed foreigners and was kind of asking about Kuala Lumpur in general. And one of the things that kept coming up was this area. So I think maybe they'll do some work to keep it a little bit cleaner.
Yeah.
But we are excited to explore it. It's stunning. Like, it really is beautiful.
Really beautiful.
Yeah.
Really beautiful.
All right, let's go see it. What we're doing here, and we have to climb those stairs. We've had a long 2 days, and we've got to go hike up these stairs. I wonder how many there are. Maybe you guys can guess in the comments how many stairs you think there are.
Yeah.
And if you know, then don't guess. Or you could tell us that you know and actually let us know. Literally bird poop everywhere on the ground.
I'm kind of used to it.
It's a little bit much. We were watching some interviews with a bunch of foreigners and tourists on YouTube, and they were asking what their thoughts about Kuala Lumpur, and many people said how extremely dirty it is here. That was one of the biggest critiques. There are so many birds, look. Hello birds, hello birds. Hello. So it's very beautiful, very colorful. Oh, they let Leon, the monkeys are like hissing. They're like hissing. The monkeys are hissing, like showing their teeth and everything. Yeah, yeah, so just be careful. So there's a nice little shop here where you can buy souvenirs. a nice little gift shop. I'm not sure if
Over
we.
there, there's a scarf only for women though, so I don't know if women have to, but that doesn't look like anyone else's.
Yeah, it doesn't look. Oh, that woman has some on her leg.
Only for the legs.
Maybe.
Well, we definitely do not want to climb all the way up there and not be able to get in.
Yeah.
So.
Well, maybe just ask this lady here because she's selling the scarves, so. You can only buy them?
Yes. Getting dressed today. Multiple times. Thank you. What's your name?
Barani.
Barani. Nice to meet you. Are you from Kuala Lumpur?
No,
No?
India.
From India. Oh,
Yes.
nice. Where? What?
Chennai.
Chennai. Oh, nice. We travel full time. We have not been to India yet, but it's definitely on our list. I heard Chennai is a very beautiful area. What is it known for? What is it famous for? Your
Chennai.
Yes.
Marina Beach.
Marina Beach?
Yes.
Okay, so I have to go there. Okay. All right. All right. It was nice to meet you. Thank you. Yeah? Okay. All right. Bye. Thank you.
Ah, that guy was.
That's what I'm saying. Yeah, I know that's what I'm saying there. All right, let's climb. I got my dress. Let's go. Check me from the monkeys.
Are we going to count down?
Oh, you can. I already started. Got a long way to go. All right, we'll let you know the number when we get to the top.
steps, I'll freak out.
Same. We've got some roosters. Okay. We're going this way. Very beautiful from up here, though. Yeah. Watch out, the big monkeys there.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16.
Alright,
If
we'll
there's
let you know the
213 steps, I'll freak out. Oh, let me take third bus. Let me take that.
He actually has a banana. Oh, just a banana peel. Aw. That's sad.
There's a big rave going on.
Yeah. Party time. Okay, up we go. Go, go, go. Should have had some lunch first.
Yes.
Okay. There's no elevator. The limestone forming Batu Caves is said to be around 400 million years old. Some of the cave entrances were used as shelters by the indigenous Tamuan people, a tribe of Orang Asili. As early as 1860, the Chinese settlers began excavating guano for fertilizing their vegetables and patches. Okay, so we made it to the top, and of course I was the one to warn everyone about the monkeys and that they could, you know, climb on you or grab you. And who got the monkey grabbing them and hanging on them? I did. So if you don't think you can manifest your own reality, I question that. I had one come up to me, he was like hanging on my dress, and then he came and like started to hang on my purse. We didn't catch it on camera because we were climbing.
272 steps.
Yeah, it's worth it though. The view is absolutely beautiful.
It was nice and breezy up here after you get all hot on the steps.
Yeah.
So I guess right.
You did guess right, yeah. It was a great guess.
Jackson guessed right, yeah, after guessing from looking on his
But what he
telephone.
didn't
I looked and I was like 272.
You're a gambler. You're a good bettor. Yeah.
What he didn't know is that the winner of that buys the next round.
Oh, okay.
I will do that. I will do that, definitely.
All right, can we go in or
Yeah,
is there an in thing? Okay, let's see. Okay, so we have a little bit of information for you
Yeah.
about the caves. We'll turn around so you can see them behind us.
So we've just gone up the 272 steps. They're actually flanked by 332 Hindu gods. This is actually the largest Hindu temple outside of India, and in the name Batu means rock, so rock caves, and it's actually dedicated to Murugan, and it's the focal point of the Tamil festival of Thaipusam in Malaysia.
Very nice. All right, let's go take a peek
Check it out,
inside.
yeah. Wow, I mean, it's a massive
It is.
cave, my goodness.
Look at this.
Oh my god.
It's hard to even see up at the top. And it's dripping, as caves do, and it is free to come in, which is fantastic. You know, it's great when you can go somewhere and the activities are included. They're free.
The other good thing is as well, which we didn't know, but it's actually free to enter.
I was just saying that. I just literally was saying that.
Ah, yeah.
How there's so many great free activities that you can do here.
That's amazing, really. Oh wow, very cool.
They have a nice gift shop.
Souvenir shop.
And
Temple there, look.
very cool. Let's see, maybe I should maybe I should take a look at the rings.
His name is Peacock? Is it really? That is so funny. What? They're cool, they're pretty. Hey buddy, what you doing there? Didn't even see you there. There's Jen.
Definitely a hike up here, but it's worth it. It's very beautiful.